Hello friends, I am Padmalochan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Geoknowledge. Today we will going to discuss about the earthquake. Generally, we know that the study of earthquake is called seismology. There are several terms related to our earthquake. They are maybe focus, epicenter, fault, isoseismal lines, seismograph, and also seismogram. These are the main points or important points which are related to our earthquake. Now we will going to discuss point wise. Before we knowing these terms, we will let's discuss what is earthquake. Generally, we know that the sudden shaking of the earth's surface is called earthquake. It is mainly occur due to the release of energy, a higher amount of energy released from beneath the surface of earth, which results the shaking of the surface. We will discuss about this in next class. Now we will discuss the points or the terminology of earthquake. First we will consider the point focus. This is the point focus. What is focus? Then we will give the answer. The focus is the particular point from which the earthquake originate, and the earthquake wave, or which we call seismic wave, that radiate in all direction. In this direction the seismic wave radiate. In this way the seismic wave radiate, and the particular point on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. This point is called epicenter. The particular point from the focus is called epicenter on the surface of the earth. We know the intensity of the earthquake is decreases from the epicenter. When we will go to this direction and also this direction, the intensity of the earthquake is decreases. When we will measure a number of points on the surface of the earth having same intensity and joining it, we will get a seismal line. This is called the isoseismal line. By joining this line, we can get the intensity of the earthquake in a constant level. Mainly two types of earthquake wave found, or seismic wave found. That is, one is primary wave and another is our secondary wave. These two wave decreases from the epicenter outwards. In order to describe the magnitude of the earth, there are several types of scale are proposed. Richter scale is the most usable scale to measure the earthquake of the earth. Friends, you can see a figure or an instrument. This instrument is called as seismograph. By the help of this instrument, we can determine or we can draw the seismic wave or the earthquake wave. This is the hanger or the stand of the instrument, and we call the base of the instrument. This portion is called the base of the instrument, and this is the part of the this is the part of the instrument by which we can determine the earthquake. This part is called the seismogram, and this is the pen by which we can draw the seismic wave. This is the spring of the instrument. Now we will discuss about the seismogram. Friends, you can see a graph. It is called as the seismogram. By this figure you can able to determine the intensity of the earthquake. You get some lower amplitude, and also you can get some higher amplitude. Whenever we get some higher amplitude, the intensity of the earthquake is very high, and whenever we get the intensity in the amplitude is very low, we can get the intensity of the earthquake is very high. In this case the intensity of the earthquake is very low, and in this case in case of higher amplitude you get the intensity is very high. This is all about today's class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.